Hey YouTube, this is Nav here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the lavalier mic by Boya, the BY-M1. This is an awesome mic in my opinion. It's like one of the best budget mics that you can get. So what I'm going to do first is doing a short little unboxing video, and then we'll get to the sound straight away. So enjoy. Right guys, this is the first part of the video, which is the unboxing of the Boya BY-M1. The packaging seems to be quite decent. This is the around the box. Feel free to pause the video if you're interested in the specification part of this box with this information. Hopefully you can see that. Right, here she is. Got some paperwork, got a windshield, the microphone itself. Cool. Construction wise, very good quality. That's metal, and you've got the switch there stating off for smartphone and the on position for cameras and PCs, etc. for SLRs. Smart looking microphone there, and look at the length of this cable guys, absolutely amazing. Exactly 6 meters, which is just under 20 feet long. Superb. Right guys, so that was the unboxing part of the video. Now this is actually going to be the part where I'm going to test how this mic actually sounds. In fact, you're hearing from it right now. It's actually clipped onto my t-shirt, and this is the sound that you're hearing. Hopefully I can't hear it just yet. I'm going to check it out post edit, but I can see the levels and they seem to be okay, and I believe this mic gives good bass and like true tone sound as well, so that's for you to decide. So I'll just keep quiet just for a little bit of silence as well, so you can hear some noise if any. How do you think this microphone compares? In my opinion, this is one of the best budget mic you can get. At around £15 UK and $20 US, you can't go wrong with this budget microphone. One of the best starter microphones out there. If you don't have the budget to spend hundreds of dollars with a microphone, this is your best bet. I'm going to leave some links at the bottom in the description, so feel free to purchase your microphone as well, either eBay and Amazon links as well. So now the giveaway part of the video. To enter, just follow the link in the description, which will take you to the Rafflecopter website. From there, just make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment below what you like about this mic and why you want to win. That's it. It's just 3 steps to gain entry. There are some bonus entries too, which are displayed on the website to increase your chances on winning. Now, depending on the response I get from this video, I'll be doing more giveaways soon, as I get plenty of free stuff from companies many times. And what better way to give back to my followers than to give away these items to you? So make sure to stay tuned. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it and you found it useful, then smash that like button. And if you're interested to see more videos like this, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to be one of the first to know when my videos are out. So take care, and I'll see you next time.